Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can catch this long-nosed butterfly fish in Fish It Roblox. I'm going to guide you to the location, the bait, and also the best time of day to find this beauty in Fish It. So first, for the location, the long-nosed butterfly is one of the fish from the Kohana Island. You can see this is an epic tire fish and it can easily caught in any time and any weather. But if you want to know the exact position or location where you can get this epic tire fish, you can use the fishing radar and see the mark that says long-nosed butterfly like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.